So my name is Chris Funderburg and I'm from Red Bay, Alabama.
When I was a teenager, acne was a problem for me. I was an athlete, I played tennis, and because I was sweating a lot, I ended up suffering from acne on both my face and my shoulders. And as a teen, it was really embarrassing for me. I talked to my mom and we tried numerous over-the-counter solutions and even some prescription solutions. A lot of them just didn't work. Some even came with side effects. So then I received a bar of soap from my grandmother, and it was something that I could fit into my daily routine, and it ended up helping me. And when I learned how to make it, I thought that that could be something that could help others.
Kind of how I got started in making soaps. I was actually in college, so my degree is actually in mechanical engineering from the University of Alabama. And while I was in school there, I went home and my grandmother was actually making a batch of soap, and I was like, this is just really, really cool and interesting. I've always loved working with my hands, and so when I had the opportunity to learn, just kind of dove right in. And so I actually went back to Alabama and just saved up some money, bought some supplies for my first few batches, and gave them to my roommates and my mom. My mom's actually a school nurse, and it just kind of grew from there. Everyone really liked it. Roommates kept on buying it for their parents for Christmas. And so yeah, it just was a really good, good start, a good kind of test run, and it helped me kind of develop kind of, value propositions and things like that. And so it grew out of my college kitchen to my mom's kitchen, actually. And then from there, when I moved back to Birmingham, I kind of had a specific little corner of my apartment that I was making everything out of. And then finally today, we've actually grown into a small space that's kind of shares a commercial kitchen. So it's definitely grown over the years. Choosing to be an environmentally friendly soap company was really important for me from the very beginning. We've used Rainforest Alliance certified palm oil from day one, and I've always loved being outdoors, and I really want to see the things that I love be around for future generations, for maybe one day when I have a family as well. Palm oil in a soap actually is really good for boosting lather, and a lot of other skincare companies use palm oil. But what sets us apart from a lot of the other skin companies is we use sustainably sourced palm oil that's all from Rainforest Alliance certified farms. And what that means is that they actually work with local farmers, teaching them how to interact with the native wildlife. So a lot of people know that palm oil is actually grown in the area where orangutans are actually native to. And so the Rainforest Alliance works with the local farmers, teaching them how to be more efficient on the current land that they're using, how to interact with the native wildlife, and also teaching them the impacts of cutting down additional rainforest. So they try to help, to educate and then also be proactive in helping replant to reduce our footprint on the environment. Although there are other alternatives, and we do have other soaps that we offer that don't have that, if that's what you choose, if you choose not to go with palm oil. So currently, you can actually find our products both at Pepper Place, which is kind of how we got our start here in Birmingham, and then also at our shop. We have a pop-up shop in Avondale. It's a little shipping container, and we're open there Thursdays through Sundays. And then also, you can find our products in several other locations around Birmingham, with hopefully more to come. But to name a few, you have Elements over in Crestwood, and then Square One Goods in downtown. Over the 5 years that I've been in business, I've definitely learned a lot. You get up each day and you kind of get back at it, because when you're passionate about something, you really enjoy it. It's always left a little bit of a surprise element to it.